it's Noe and welcome back. Today we're going to be making the jiggly watermelon jello slime from the glow in the dark slime kit from Original Stationery. So let's get started. The first thing I did already was pour in 30 millimeters of my clear glue and pour in 20 millimeters of just water. And I mixed that all together so that it was ready. And it actually is like, it's almost like water, but it still has a slime-like consistency. So the next thing we're going to do is measure out 1 level spoonful of our neon pink glow in the dark powder. It's not a level spoonful, so I'm going to add a little bit more. There you go. Now we're going to put that in, and I'm going to add a pinch of pink, not a pink activator. That would actually be pretty cool though. Of pink glitter into our slime. So there we go. And now I'm going to mix it all up. This is so cool. It looks like we may need to mix it a little bit more and give, the water and glue some time to, meet each other a little bit more and let the powder kind of sink in. Because we don't really want to have these capsules of pink powder, because if not, it'll just burst in your hands and that may not be good. So I'm going to try and mix it for a little bit longer. And if not, we'll get to the slime part, and I think once I add activator, then maybe it will start to get a little bit better. So I'm going to add 1 level spoonful of my activator. Here we go. And now we're going to mix for 30 seconds to make sure that nothing is sticking to the sides of the bowl, because it should all come together. And although this is a very jiggly slime, it has more water, if you do need to add more after the 30 seconds is over, it is totally okay to add like a few drops of water, a few drops of your activator solution. So it seems like it's not really coming together that quickly, but I'm going to keep mixing because I still have some more time. I'm going to let the activator mix a little bit more. So it is coming together, but I am going to need some more activator. Go. Oh wait, only a few drops, remember that. 1, 2. And then if we need more, we'll add more, but it's important to add only a few drops at a time so that you don't overdo it and then your slime is super hard and not good at all. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. It seems like it's now coming together, starting to not stick to the walls as much, but it's really, really jiggly, which is super cool. You can see that. So it's not sticking to the sides of the wall, so in a second I'm going to take it and mix it in with my hands. So we're going to move this to the side, which is super cool and super weird at the same time. I'm gonna let the powder, the glow in the dark powder, mix a little bit more. As you can still see, I still have a few chunks left, so I really want it to mix in before I add anything else. Look how jiggly it is. It's super cool. It's like a little fat blob of water that went bad, if you know what I mean. Like if water had a thing where when it went bad, it got jiggly. This is what it would be like. Okay, now we're gonna add a few foam cubes. I'm gonna add around like 3 to 4, maybe 5 if I'm feeling good. I think I'm gonna add 5 because I really like the foam cubes and how they make my slime very textured and crunchy. Ooh, look at that, that's so cool. And now we're gonna, it didn't say to have black foam beads here, but in the instructions, it does ask for a little bit of black foam beads to be added in so that they're like your watermelon seeds, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we're only gonna add a little bit. Maybe I'll just slightly open it. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. And then we're gonna take a little bit of my clay and make the watermelon complete. So as you can see, this kind of looks like the inside of the watermelon, all pink and with their seeds, and you know, like the chunks of watermelons. So we're gonna open my green clay. I'm gonna take a little bit and we're gonna, you know, kind of form this. I'm gonna make sure my, you know, beads are a little bit more mixed before I complete this look. We're gonna form this into like a watermelon slice. So I'm gonna try and shape it like a watermelon slice. There we go. And now I'm going to add the green clay. So I'm gonna add a little bit more clay because I like the thick rims. I think it kind of looks cool. So we're gonna thicken this out and add it to our thing. And now we're gonna shut off the lights and see how cool it looks in the dark. So let me shut off that. I'm gonna start charging it, which is super cool. With this UV light, it charges the slime, and I think it looks super cool when it is charged, so I'm gonna let it charge for a second. And now we're gonna shut off the light. Look how cool that looks, you guys. I'm gonna mix it all up. Look how cool. Ooh, it's like a watermelon jiggly slime mixture now. It's like a ice cream or a nice cool drink with watermelon. We're gonna charge it. Look how cool this charger is. I can spell my name out on it, which is super cool. I can make hearts, shapes. Here, let's show you a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna make a star. Look how cool that is. I made a star. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun making the slime, and I hope you guys enjoyed making it with me. I love the little foam cubes. They're super squishy and make the slime super textured, so I love that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!